Hi, I want to share my experience successfully set up my own MailServer. I tried several methods and faced many complicated configurations before finding a simple and effective solution. The solution I found is MailCow, a MailServer application that's run on Docker. What's great that you only need a few simple settings and the Docker pull command to get it running. This is make the installation process much easier compared to another MailServer solution. This MailServer is important for my IT lesson and help me manage students who live both in dormitory and outside dormitory. Some students forgot their password, email, or two authentication. So having our MailServer, it's easier to handle this issue. To demonstrate its functionality for IT learning, I log in as user, register for the Canva account using this MyService and show the Canva dashboard of proof that it's worked perfectly for our education need. Thanks for watching.